very good. I feel very excited and happy that I can serve the society as a whole. I can serve my country. I can serve my state, Tripura.
Which cadre did you take?
I have taken Tripura cadre. Most probably I will be getting Tripura cadre. I think the cadre allocation will be done in a few days.
When will be your interview? Your training will starting?
My training will be starting on 28th of this month. It is
In
after
which
like
place?
it's on in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand.
So what is your future plan for Chakma community as well as for Tripura state?
I want to serve all the communities of the state equally. I mean, I want to bring development in the state. And wherever I am posted, like I will try my level best to give my best to the society.
So for how many days you will be in Tripura?
I think I'll be around for 2 weeks and 2 days.
Okay, then after you will leave
Yeah, I
for
will be leaving
training.
for a training for them.
Okay, so how many days training all over?
The training is of 2 years duration. 2 साल का होता है. 2 years is there.
Do you think it's a hard job that being served as a IS officer?
I think yeah, the difficulties will be there, the challenges will be there, but I will give my best to solve the problems, whatever may come.
Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Photo.